Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to unlink WhatsApp from Facebook. Now, the first thing you should do is to simply open your Play Store or App Store, then go to the search bar and search for Facebook. Then once you search for Facebook, you should update your own application. If you do not have updates, so go ahead and open the application, but here in my case, I have an update. And now here, as you can see, it almost finished. Now what you should do is to simply wait for its installation. Then you should now go and open Facebook on your phone and make sure that you are logged in using your own email that is linked to the WhatsApp of yours. So after opening Facebook, you should now click on these three dots or three horizontal lines on the top right corner or your profile picture. Then it will show here this page. Just tap on your profile picture. Now what you should do right now is to simply go down and click on the about right here. Then here you will find this option, edit public details. Just tap on it, and after that will show here all of your informations. You just have to scroll down till you find here down below an option saying links, and if you are linking your WhatsApp, it will be displayed just like this. Then what you should do is to simply click on the edit button right here, and after that you should now click on remove if you want to remove the WhatsApp number, and after that the number will be removed. And now if you want to add it again, you should do the same steps, but click on add social link and add your phone number, name it, then you're all done. You can now have it added again. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.